Hello Meltz fans. Today I'm here to talk about a new dip that we launched right here. It's a blackened brie cheese and caramelized onion dip. It's right here. This is a new dip at Meltz, and I'm just going to talk about it a little bit because we've had a little bit of controversy online. Everybody likes a little controversy, and we posted some pictures in our Facebook and Instagram, and you can check those out, of the brie being blackened. And this is a new dip here at Meltz. It's super creamy. It's our twist on a classic onion dip. If you ever had a mom that mixed sour cream and French onion soup, that would be our twist on this. So it's got a lot of caramelized onions and buttermilk fried onions, roasted garlic. And most importantly, the brie wheel is blackened. And it is absolutely 100% blackened. And I wanted to talk about this word blackened because people keep thinking that it's burnt. And I would tell you 85% of the restaurants in America are not blackening correctly. And I'm here to talk a little bit about this OG right here, Paul Prudhomme. This fellow right here, Paul Prudhomme, is an OG chef. He created blackening in the 1980s. And this revolutionized how they cook fish a lot in America. I mean, you see it on menus across America, this word blackened. And what he did was char the spices. It's a special blend of spices that he created. He created the technique, and he created this special blend of spices, pepper, garlic, onion powder, etc. right here. See that? Boom. Paul Prudhomme's. And it's called Redfish Magic because he would dip the fish in clarified butter and then crust it with these spices: paprika, cayenne, white pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, all ground into a special mix that he created. And he would char the spices. And when it's done correctly, the crust becomes very sweet. It doesn't taste burnt or blackened, like charred, like you would think of something that tastes burnt. It actually tastes sweet when it's done correct. This is what we're using to create this dip. From the OG, Paul Prudhomme, the master, who was a chef at Commander's Palace. And when he created this with the redfish was so overfished in New Orleans area that it changed the way they do commercial fishing forever in New Orleans because the redfish got so popular. And so we're doing our spin, and this is going to be on the menu now. We are on the menu. You got to come in and try this. This is our newest dip, Blackened Brie, where we char the spices on the brie cheese wheel, and then we incorporate it with a lot of other deliciousness. I'm not going to give you all my secrets, but this is what we're using in that. And this is the inspiration, Paul Prudhomme's Redfish Magic. Now, we're not putting fish in there. There's no fish. And it's to settle the controversy. When you see blackened, it's blackened. And when it's done correctly, it's sweet. It's not charred. So anybody out there who thinks it's burnt, it's not burnt. Okay? It's just not being done correctly. And I'm here to educate you a little bit on that. So we're just going to, we serve it with this cute little spoon so you can build a bite and be fancy, or you can dip it right in. But that's kind of nice. This is one of our best. So come on in here and try this wonderful blackened brie and caramelized onion dip.